Hello dear student, we are studying general science physics. So today's topic is dimension analysis, class 11th. Find the dimensions of A and B in V equals to A plus Bt, where V equals to velocity and T equals to time. We have to find value of A and B in equation V equals to A plus Vt, where V equals to velocity and T equals to time. So given V equals to A plus Bt, where V equals to velocity and T equals to time. Now I will find the value of A and B. So equation we can write in V minus A minus Vt equals to 0, and according to principle of homogeneity, we equate the terms of equation. Principle of homogeneity we already discussed in last video, so you can see that. So according to principle of homogeneity, dimensions of V equals to dimensions of A. Dimensions of V equals to dimensions of A, small a. So how will equal? This principle says that term equate in if dimensions are same. So dimensions of V equals to dimensions of A. Now velocity in dimension formula LT power minus 1 and time second dimension formula is T. So dimensions of V equals to LT power minus 1 equals to A, or A equals to LT power minus 1. So that is the value of A, LT power minus 1. Now value of B. So value of B how will calculate? Now again according to principle of homogeneity, we can write the dimensions of Bt equals to dimensions of V. Dimensions of Bt equals to dimensions of V, because this term are in add or subtract form, A minus Bt. So this term are in add or subtract form. So we can write dimensions of Bt equals to dimensions of V. So dimensions of Bt, here T equals to time, so is dimensional formula T. So B into T equals to dimensions of V LT power minus 1, that is velocity dimension formula. So B equals to will be B equals to LT power minus 1 by T, and then B equals to LT power minus 2. So its dimensional formula for B and its value of B. So according to question, we already calculate dimensions of A and dimensions of B. So today's topic. For more update, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.